Look closely. If you were born poor, this video will either wake you up or expose exactly why you'll stay broke forever. Because the truth is brutal. Your problem is not money. Your problem is how your brain was programmed. And unless you rewire it, you will repeat the same financial cycle again and again and again. Nobody stays poor because they're lazy. They stay poor because they are mentally trained to survive, not to succeed. From childhood, your brain was taught one mission: avoid risk, avoid pain, stay comfortable, stay safe. And that mindset creates workers, not owners. Poor people think in terms of bills, rent, food, survival. Rich people think in terms of systems, leverage, assets, growth. Poor people ask, how do I pay my bills? Rich people ask, how do I build something that pays me forever? Same world, different mental operating systems. Your financial destiny was silently shaped before you even knew what money was. You heard things like, money is hard to get, rich people are greedy, be grateful for what you have, just find a stable job. None of these sound dangerous, but together, they create a fear-based money identity. Your brain learned money equals stress, risk equals danger, comfort equals safety. So when opportunity shows up, your nervous system doesn't feel excitement, it feels fear. And what does fear do? It pushes you back into comfort. This is why people sabotage success. This is why people quit when things start working. This is why most people never escape average. Comfort feels good, and that's exactly why it destroys your future. Comfort makes you scroll. Comfort makes you delay. Comfort makes you say, tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Comfort slowly kills ambition. Every time you choose comfort over effort, your future becomes smaller. Pain builds empires. Comfort builds regrets. The life you want is hidden inside the discomfort you keep avoiding. Social media, entertainment, short videos, porn, gaming, cheap pleasure. They flood your brain with dopamine. And dopamine addiction creates financial paralysis. Why build a future when your brain gets instant pleasure for free? Cheap dopamine today creates expensive regret tomorrow. This is why focus is the new currency, and discipline is the new wealth. Wealth does not start in your wallet. It starts in your identity. The moment you stop saying, I want to be rich, and start saying, I am becoming a wealthy person, your decisions change, your habits change, your standards change. You stop chasing money. You start becoming the type of human money is attracted to. If you are still watching this, it means your mind is waking up. But awareness alone does nothing. Transformation requires action. From today, protect your focus, upgrade your environment, control your inputs, discipline your mind. Because the life you want demands a version of you that you have not yet become. Follow this page for daily psychological rewiring for wealth, power, and freedom. Comment upgrade if you're ready to rebuild your mindset.